Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with the real estate entrepreneur, Omar Alfaro. How you doing, buddy?
What's up, Michael? What's up, everybody? Let's go.
Yeah, so you had your team meeting yesterday. You're obviously, kind of setting people up to talk about 2023. I want this conversation to be you and I rapping about how to make 2023 an amazing year. 2023, I have said many times and repeated this morning, and Bloomberg reiterated it's going to be a rough year for a lot of people. But
A
it
lot of people.
doesn't have to be a rough year for you.
Right.
You the individual, you the
Yep.
family. So tell me the message you delivered to your team, and then we'll talk about investors and how to make 2023 an amazing year.
Well, what's up, everybody? So I started it off as just saying done is better than perfect. That means if you're going to make a video, do it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be completely edited perfectly, because all it takes is one person to to see the message, to hear the message, to convey the message, whether it's a listing, a purchase, whether like, hey, we're buying here, hey, we're doing this, hey, we're doing this, whatever field that you're in. If you're a loan officer, if you're a realtor, if you're an investor, well, investors need to have relationships with agents. So I went on and on about it because literally, I wrote down a few different pointers to give everybody, because we're 2 weeks away from the new year. So if you haven't already started your trajectory and understanding what you're going to be doing for 2023, then you're kind of behind the eight ball. But it's okay, because remember, it's not how you start. But no, it's not when you start, it's how you finish. No, wait. Rewind.
That's okay.
Sorry.
It's all right.
Because we were talking about it yesterday, and as long as you finish, right? 2023 is a long year,
Yeah.
and you got to just start. You
Yeah.
have to start something.
Yeah.
And this is what my whole thing is: done is better than perfect. You guys can take it however you guys want to. I think your own conviction will allow you to feel that as well.
Yeah. When I think about 2023, kind of as an individual, as a family unit, as a business, as somebody trying to make, one rental at a time of community, what I would tell folks is get out of your head.
Mm-hmm.
Right. The last couple of years, you have heard Omar and I say and mean it was easy to make money. We have receipts we could show you.
Mm-hmm.
The next 2 years is going to be rough. The reason I bring this up is the last 2 years, crash videos and negativity was easy. It kind of was the counterbalance to the easy money making.
Right.
I have this crazy belief that crash and negativity is going to disappear because the economy will be so bad. People will be so afraid they won't want to look at that stuff. So what I am trying to do, and again, leading by example, is
Mm-hmm.
showing people what I'm doing in a bad economy. I'm buying deals on sale. I am flipping a property and going to make X amount of thousand. And if I lose money, like we talked about last week, you're going to lose 80 grand. We will give you the receipts. We are taking our shot. And you just got to do the work. You got to build confidence. So I really do think that the crash bros, as they're called, their following and their activity is going to fall, because who wants to be afraid when you're already afraid?
Yeah,
You just
good
don't need
point.
it.
Because it doesn't. You don't need it. You're already afraid, so let's go.
Yeah. So I want to hear from people that are actually doing stuff. And you and I are actually doing this. Are we going to get it right all the time? Hell no. But done is better than perfect. We
You
are
know
just
what?
going to keep moving forward.
And we're keeping moving forward. And just on a side note, um, in the last video, I know I fist pumped because I just received, and this is exactly what we're talking about. I received a signed listing agreement for 1.4
Nice.
at a 6% listing. And guess what? Done is better than perfect. Was I perfectly on the phone with this person? No. He was a referral, not even him. I sent him a DocuSign. He signed it. Done is better than perfect, because guess what? Me doing it and not me overcomplicating it, saying I'm a beautiful packet, this, that, and the other. I said, listen, here you go. I'm going to get it done for you.
Yeah.
And he just signed it I just got the DocuSign notification, which is still segues into done is better than perfect because it wasn't a perfect freaking email.
Yeah.
It wasn't.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
telling
folks,
you, it's there.
yeah, the next couple of years are going to be rough. I've been trying to warn you. I've been trying to prepare you. We're here now. Winter is here, not winter is coming. But again, what I've always tried to do on videos like this is opportunity is out there. Do the work, grow your network, take your shots. A lot of people are going to retreat. They're going to hide. And that's why guys like us are going to win. We don't hide. We may get cheaper. We may lower our numbers, but we will keep taking our shots. We will do, I will say, we will do less transactions, but they will be better transactions.
You said it right there. Less transactions, but more
that's what's
profits.
coming. Yeah. Yeah. It would not shock me if total profits is more next year at the end than this year on less transactions. Because we will just buy the creme de la creme. We will do the right things. We will sell them. And it's hard for me to sit here because I've been through this negativity a couple of times. I already know what's coming and I'm immune to it. I am ecstatic. I'm vibrating with excitement. I just want others to know they can get here too if they do the work, if they build confidence. And that's why I think all the crash channels will disappear because nobody's going to want to watch them because they're already afraid. And yeah, just do the work, build confidence, grow your network, get around positive people. And you and I will be coming back every week to talk to each other and just talk about what we're doing.
Every week, Michael. I mean, this is something that we haven't deviated much. I mean, I've missed a couple. We missed.
I think we've missed a couple. Yeah,
we've missed a couple. That's it. Yeah. We probably have the longest tenure of consistency.
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. So again, I think 2023 is going to be the year that you make it. If you sit here and you're afraid and you sit on your couch and you do nothing, you're going to get what you get.
Oof,
if
spot on.
You go into 2023 going, I'm going to make a difference. I am going to buy an asset on sale. You will. If you go into the mind, you're going to buy two, you'll do it.
You'll absolutely will, for sure.
Yeah. So again, folks, we will keep coming back. We will keep showing you receipts. When we win, we will show. When we lose, we will show. Yeah, I really do think 2023, when the receipts are counted, is going to be an amazing year because we're not afraid. And we're just going to do better deals. It's going to be awesome.
Better deals, Michael. I mean, that's going to be the done is better than perfect / better deals.
There you go. Omar, where can people find you, follow you, see what you got going on?
You guys, follow me on IG at Invest with Omar, and then my new site coming out, which is omaralfaro.com. Everything about me, all the businesses we have. You're able to join our team, our real estate team, which is Expand Real Estate Group, powered by 5, which is awesome. It gives you rev share, all kinds of cool stuff. And guess what? You guys we can all be together via Zoom. You don't have to be in my area. You can be in a different spot. It has to be in California, but just reach out to me.
Awesome. Omar, thanks for all you do. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff.
Merry Christmas. Thanks, Michael.
Thanks, buddy.